Excuse me.
It's a video in itself right there. Burp. Don't swallow. Stand on your head. Hold your breath. Rub the back of your tongue to stimulate your gag reflex. Hey guys, this is actually the end of a video, and I'm going to show you the beginning of it in a second. I was in a little bit of trouble earlier. Here it is. It's the camera. Right now, I have the hiccups, and I figured right now would be a great time to do an experiment. What really gets rid of hiccups? So, I'm gonna... Excuse me. I'm gonna try something my grandma told my dad to do. Oh, excuse me.
Fill it all the way up. It's going up for me. Make sure you're supposed to plug your nose and gulp it all the way down.
Good so far. I've tried this before. I'm choking to death, but I think they're gone. Well, it seemed to work.